Christmas! Ho-ho! Yeah! Hey folks, welcome back to the shop channel episode. I'm going to make something a little bit Christmassy for you. Today is the holidays. Well, nearly. Hopefully everyone's on holiday now, if this video goes out at the right time. But thought we would do something Christmassy. Now, some of you probably just saw Santa. I'm pretty sure I saw him as well. So no, you're not going crazy. I was thinking about knocking up a little project for you guys today, based on a similar project that I did a little while ago, which was pirates in a bottle. But this time, it will be Santa and Rudolf. But before we start, I just wanted to ask if we could take a little moment. For those of you that haven't subscribed to the channel and may be watching this, please hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed, I would be most obliged if you would tap the little bell in the little right hand corner, because that way you'll all get notified of when I actually push out a video. You'll probably notice I've got over 500,000 people subscribed to this channel, which is amazing. However, not all of you get notified of my videos, which is a little bit of a shame because you're missing out, trust me. So if you could subscribe, that would be absolutely amazing. If you could ring the little bell in the top right hand corner, that would be even more amazing. And you'll get notified of my videos, and if you want to watch them, you can. If you don't want to watch them, well, you don't have to. But like I said, you don't want to do that. You might miss out on something really cool and funkadelic, like Rudolf in a bottle. So without further ado, I will get straight onto this project. See if we can make this really Christmassy. Let's get everyone in that festive season. Let's get everyone in that festive mood. We're gonna eat some turkey, we're gonna have some presents, and we're gonna watch Santa in a bottle with Rudolf. I've no idea how this is gonna turn out, as always, but I'm looking forward to this one. Okay, so effectively that is our snow. So that's the snow on the bottom that we need to do first. So this has to we have to do this in stages. So the snow goes in first, then what we'll do is we will mount Santa in there somehow with all the other bits if we can. Then we'll have to leave that to set as well, and then we can pour in, like, either it's clear or we could put a bit of sky in there. I don't know, it might just be clear, but we'll work that out afterwards. So I'm going to get this in the pressure pot now. Although leaving it out might be alright because it will have some bubbles in it. And it might look a bit better with some bubbles.
Now if you're wondering how I'm going to do this, I don't know either. Oh yeah, Santa's coming to town, baby. Woohoo! Hey, Rudolf.
Right, I'm not going to do too many pours on this because I think last time it did have a bit of a reaction because we put too much resin in on one pour. So I'm going to try and split this up this time, and I'm going to let this set in the pressure pot, and then we're going to put another pour in after that. That's the best bet. Okay, there's our first pour. We're ready for another one. Right, that is the second pour on this badger. And let's have a look at this. I'm hoping we're not going to see the lines in there. That's not bad, actually. I don't think you can see the line in there. Look at that. I think there's a little bit there, but that's on the outside. So that was 2 pours. What I didn't want to happen is I didn't want a load of a reaction in there, because this resin, you can only sort of do it with small pours, really. So I've had to do it in, well, this is going to be a 3rd stage. So I'm going to do another one here now. It's going to take us up to the top, and then we can get this on the lathe. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Santa's coming to town. Okay, we're getting there. This is looking pretty cool, as you can see. Let me give you a close-up. So, there we go. We've got this down now, ready to start sanding. We've got to be careful not to go too mad on it, because otherwise we're going to run out of snow. As you can see, it's getting smaller and smaller the more we turn it, obviously. I mean, there's still a bit in it, but I don't want to go too mad, because otherwise we'll get too close to the Lego characters, and I don't know, it just might not work out. You can see little Rudolf in there, getting quite close to him as well. So I've got a bit of tighten up to do, a bit of sanding, then we're going to have to drill this out. Now I'm going to have to drill it out rather than use the tools on the lathe to do it, because I don't have any room to actually get this fitted in the chuck. So I'm going to finish it like by hand, so we're going to have to just drill this out, but that'll be fine. And this time, which I didn't do last time, I'm going to put a nice little cork in there. It's going to look quite sexy. So, right, let's get us sanding. Santa in a bottle. Happy Christmas.
Oh my God!
So there it is, folks. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope this has got you in the festive spirit. I kind of want to do something different, something obviously to do with Christmas, as it's Christmas. And I know that a lot of you did like the pirate in the bottle that I did a little while ago. I will leave a link somewhere for that. So I thought Santa in a bottle works quite well. Got my emblem in there, number 18, I think that badger is. Is it 18? 16, I think. And we remembered the cork this time. So there we go. Resin turned out pretty well. There's 3 pores on that. And you can't see where the other pores are, which is really quite cool. I could have carried on polishing and polishing and polishing, like you see some of these resin kind of artists and they go crazy and it comes out like glass. You can do that with this, but it just takes ages and my patience is not great. There we go, it's pretty heavy, so I'm going to put this down. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this one, folks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please could you hit the subscribe button and also ring the little bell in the corner so you get notified of every video I put out. Because trust me, you don't want to miss this stuff. I would like to say a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Audible. Audible's content basically includes an unmatched selection of audiobooks. They've got apps for iPhone, Android, iPad and Windows Phone. Audible is where so many inspiring voices and compelling stories open listeners up to new experiences and ways of thinking. Membership includes 1 free audiobook per month, exclusive sales and 30% off all regular priced audiobooks. Happy days. You can access your audiobooks anytime, anywhere, any place, right from your smartphone. Great listening, guaranteed. Don't like it? Fine, just swap it. These guys really do look after you. So what you got to lose? With my link below, you get your first audiobook completely free. Plus, 2 Audible originals when you try Audible for 30 days. No brainer, right? All you gotta do is visit audible.com/Nick Zammeti. Or if you're in the US, you can just text Nick Zammeti to 500 500. No, that won't come direct to me. Sorry. So go on, get something great for Christmas. Just click on my link below or head over to audible.com/Nick Zammeti. Or remember, if you're in the US, you can just text Nick Zammeti to 500 500. Trust me, you're gonna love this. All you need is my link below. Well, thanks Audible for sponsoring this video. Oh, that reminds me. Check out Maker Central if you want to come and meet me. Link also below. Actually, where's my Christmas hat gone? I think I should be wearing this, to be fair, considering it is Christmas. Well, happy days, folks. Thanks for everyone that's joined me on this channel for the last, well, 3 years, 4 years? 3 years. 4 years. But anyway, it's been absolutely crazy. There will be probably one more video that goes up before we break for this whole year until the new year, which I've already done. I've just got a few more little finishing edits to do. Hopefully you like that one as well. It's kind of Christmassy also. And then we'll be on to 2020. Loads of things happening in 2020. I'm still working on this major project that I've been working on for absolutely ages. That's probably going to be a New Year project now. I have put a few snippets up on Instagram if you see me or follow me on Instagram of pictures and things. But it's just taken me a while, and I'll explain all once I actually finally get that video out. Well, I'll love you and leave you to get back to your turkey dinners or sandwiches with pickles. Please don't forget to check out my sponsor, because that really does help support the channel. Plus, they're pretty awesome. And if you're feeling extra generous, you could share the video. That really does help. Well, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a fabulous Christmas. I'll see you all really soon. I'm not sure how to end it. Bye-bye.